नाव लेट अस कम टू अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड. तुम्ही त्या विशयाचेर वेलाच म्हणटा की आमी त्या विशयाचेर येवया. जॉयल, what is, because Reginald is one name, and I frankly believe that he was one of the first MLAs to declare support. He was a front runner throughout this discussion phase, and suddenly he got dropped from the list itself. What happened, Joel? And why do you think Salset has no representation in this new cabinet?
It looks like, it's a well calculated decision from the BJP, because if you see Salset and if you see Kurtori as a whole, they have seen what Reginald could get to the table in terms of the Lok Sabha elections, in terms of traction to the BJP in Salset. If you see the larger picture, for BJP, there is no gain here in getting Reginald in. All the more, when there is so much of resentment against the BJP in Salset, which was very much visible across, in minority-dominated Salset, the BJP could not do anything magical there in getting Reginald, and they cannot change their fortunes with Reginald. So it was very clear that they cannot salvage anything out of Salset. So what they decided is, go beyond Salset and look at people beyond Salset and maybe cover up Salset, the losses which
and bolster your prospects in a non-Salset area.
Non-Salset areas, especially the hinterland areas. And that is why you see a clear pattern to the cabinet distribution of portfolios, where they have looked completely beyond Salset. They are saying, okay, fine, we don't want Mission Salset, we don't want anything. Whatever vote comes from Salset will be theirs.
Will be the bonus.
Which is the bonus, and which is already there. So all majority voters, if you see the pattern in assembly section elections, BJP will get those votes definitely, and whatever comes extra will be a bonus. But having said that, concentrating on areas beyond Salset would be the wise thing to do, and that's what they have done. They have dropped.
किशोर, हे पट्टा की सालसेतीची गरज ना, आमी सालसेत कुशीक दवरूनच आमचे जिखपाचे प्लान करतले, हो विचार ह्या मंत्रिमंडळाच्या रचणुके फाटल्यान दिसता काय कितें?
ना 100%. म्हाका दिसता जॉयलान परफेक्टली एनालिसीस केला, बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम सालसेत, की रेजिनाल्डाक समजा दिल्लें मंत्रीपद जाल्यार तेचो कितें फायदो जातलो आसलो काय बीजेपीक, जाल्यार तेचो बीजेपीक कांयच फायदो जावचो नासलो. बिकॉज रेजिनाल्ड जे मायनॉरिटी जे लोक आसात तांकां तो बीजेपी वटेन हाडूं शकचो नासलो. इट इज बियॉन्ड his ability or beyond his capacity, because that people who will never vote for BJP, so they thought of concentrating on other parts. हो एक झालो विषय. आता सालसेतान नावेलीचो जो आमदार आसा उल्हास तुयेकर हो निवडून आयिल्लो, त्यामुळे ते जे एक पोस्ट जो सुभाष फळदेसायक गेला तो उल्हास तुयेकरा कडेन येवं शकता आसलो, पूण विचार करतना तांणी कसो केला आसतलो की उल्हास तुयेकर हो पयलेच फावट वेचून आयला. दुसरी गजाल, सुभाष फळदेसाय हो दुसरे फावट वेचून आयला, आनी सुभाष फळदेसायक मातसो एक्सपिरियन्स आसा. ही वॉज ऑल्सो ZP मेंबर and he was into organization and active member of BJP. So his performance wise जर पळयत जाल्यार सुभाष फळदेसाय will perform better, आणि उल्हास तुयेकर जरी फर्स्ट टाइम निवडून येयला जाल्यार तेका जो कितें सपोर्ट दिवपाक जाय तो सपोर्ट BJP दितलीच. आणि तशें जॉयलान सांगलां की जे वोट सालसेतान BJPक मेळटात दॅट विल ऑलवेज रिमेन विथ BJP. सो त्याच्या बियॉन्ड सालसेतान प्लॅन करपाकूच चान्स ना. पूण म्हाका दिसता आय एम सीइंग ऑन दीस इश्यूचेर म्हाका दिसता प्रमोद की सालसेताचेर खूब प्रयत्न केले बीजेपीन. मिशन सालसेत म्हणून केलें, पर्रीकर परत परत सालसेतान वयतालो, मायनॉरिटी लिडरांच्या खानार हात घालतालो, तेंच्या वांगडा स्कुटरीन भोंवतालो, खूब प्रयोग करून पळयले बीजेपीन. पूण सालसेतांतले लोक खंयच्याच पद्दतीन बीजेपीक एक्सेप्ट करपाक तयार ना. आतां फॉर एग्जाम्पल कालूच हांव जॉयला कडेन उलयतालो, ही इज फ्रॉम नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. आतां नुवेंचो जो बाबाशान आसलो तो जेन्ना बीजेपीन येयलो तेणी डेव्हलपमेंटाची कितलीशीच कामां नुवेन केला, म्हाका आतां स्वता जॉयल सांगता. आणि जर डेव्हलपमेंट खरोच बाबाशानान केला जाल्यार when Babashan was in election, he was on 4th position. म्हणजे बीजेपीचो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो सुद्धा एजेंडा सालसेतान चलना. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट बीजेपी एट ऑल. सो अशा पद्धतीन जर सालसेतचे लोक
आणि आपल्याला बाकीची गणित
येस येस येस
आणि दॅट इज वेअर तुम्ही म्हणता अलेक्स रेजिनाल्डाचो बळी गेलो.
येस येस
ना जाल्यार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड वुड हॅव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॅबिनेट.
येस एब्सोल्युटली.